Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my new update video of S class Patshala. Today we will solve a interesting math here. Given that x plus 1 by x equal to 1, then find out the value of x to the power 25 plus 1 by x to the power 25 equal to what? How can we solve it? We can solve it easy. We have x plus 1 by x equal to 1, and we simplify this x square plus 1 equal to 1. Then we can write x square plus, it is given that x minus 1. Okay, here given that is minus 1. Here is minus 1 and here is minus 1. Then we can write 1 equal to minus x. Then we can write x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here x not equal to 1. Then we can write we know that a famous formula, that a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, and a square plus ab plus b square. Now we multiplying the both sides of this equation by x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we can write here as x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and we divide and we can write here the x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so we get a x cube equal to 1. Then we have x to the power 25 plus 1 by x to the power 25. We can write here x into x to the power 24 plus 1 by x into x to the power 24. Then we write that x into x cube all to the power 8 plus 1 by x into x cube all to the power 8. We know that a to the power mn. We can write here a to the power m all to the power n. We use this formula here. We can write x into x cube is equal to 1, so its power 88, and then we x to the power 8 equal to, we know 1 to the power n is equal to 1. Okay, here 1 to the power 8 is equal to 1. So x plus 1 by x is equal to, we have the value of x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1. So we can write it's minus 1. So the value of their x to the power 25 plus 1 by x to the power 25 is equal to -1. It is a interesting math. Uh, Everybody, please share, like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe my channel to get new updated video and new sum and easy to solve a math. Okay, thank you.